FluenceXL business charts are designed to communicate key business trends both clearly and effectively while being closely aligned with the IBCS standards. Variance charts display either the absolute or relative variance between two scenarios. They can be inserted directly from the business chart ribbon or by creating a standard dynamic chart and changing the chart type. In this example, we want to show how monthly sales for mountain bikes have varied from the previous year sales, so we will use a horizontal chart with time moving left to right as advised by IBCS. We already have our sales amount on filters, our mountain bikes on columns, and our months on categories. I now need to configure what variance is displayed. I want to see the difference between 2 years, so I drag the date hierarchy into the compare by box, and then set 2021 as my base and 2020 as the comparison. We can now see the chart displaying months along the x-axis and either a positive or negative value depending on whether the sale has increased or decreased for that month compared to the previous year. I'm going to format the chart to bring it more in line with a standard IBCS style by selecting the IBCS option from the ribbon. I can now duplicate the chart and then change the chart type to relative variance. It will now show the same variance, but this time as a percentage rather than an absolute value. The absolute variance chart is displayed as solid bars, whereas the relative variance is displayed as lollipops, meaning it's instantly recognizable what type of data we're looking at. I'm going to use the range picker to reposition the chart and remove the category axis from the relative variance chart by using the Format tab. This is a great way to display both the absolute and relative variance together. We can make other formatting changes to the chart in the Format Path pane. In the Series tab, we can easily change the fill of the markers or the colour of the bars. Other changes are possible, such as marker size or the bar width. FluenceXL variance charts are great for complementing other charts to highlight the difference between two scenarios. In this particular example, the charts are highlighting the difference between 2021 and 22, both in absolute and relative values, allowing us to immediately identify which members had the biggest change.